What's going on, YouTube? How y'all doing? Today is gonna be quick and simple. As you can see, we took a trade. Honestly, this was not a bad idea. At the same time, we just got break even and shit. Anyways, though, exactly what was going on, bias wise, we gonna explain. So the 4 hour is bullish, an IFEG right here, and then the 1 hour is also bullish, break of structure right here. Same thing on Nasdaq. It was bearish on the 1 hour actually, an IFEG right here. And then the 4 hour is still bullish breaker structure right here. We never seen any type of IFEG after because this came and broke this above. Let me mark it out. Boom. So as soon as this candle closed above, it broke structure to the upside. This never broke structure to the upside at all. And then we have this fair value gap that never got disrespected, but it might get disrespected later on. And we already explained the 1 hour, I believe, right? It was completely bearish. IFEG right here. We could have targeted something like this if we swept any 15-minute time frame and then just short that shit. Anyways, the trade idea I took off was we had an IFEG on the 5-minute pre-market and then breaker structure on the 15-minute. And then not just that, we also had a fair value gap right here getting respected on ES. ES is a leading index, of course. ES came and swept all this fair value gap down here. It came all the way to this fair value gap. And then on the 5-minute ended up giving us an IFEG, which is similar to a breaker structure. Then we created a fair value gap right here. And then we tap into the fair value gap, broke structure above. Entry should have been somewhere from here. But again, you should not be entering if ES is not aligning with this too. So this could have been the RR, but ES never broke structure until later on right here at 10:04. So after 10:04, I waited a couple. This is 10:04, and then I waited 2 more minutes, entered on this one as soon as this one broke structure above them. That's pretty much it. That was my trade idea. We took partial right here because ES ended up hitting London highs, and then I put my stuff to break even. That's pretty much it. That's the trade of the day. You guys have a good one. I'm gonna see y'all next time.